What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one it's a little bit different. I thought I'd just put the camera on, show you what's just arrived. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I've received a package from Fuel Hub, which is a meal prep nutrition company here in the UK, and for me nutrition's important, my health's important. I love the gym and I thought I'd get some prep meals this week. The package has just arrived, so I thought, like I say, I'd put the camera on. Not even opened it yet, don't have a clue what the meal's like, never had them before, so this will be pretty cool to see. And it just so happens I've actually got a vest top on today, which wasn't planned to line up with this. Not put a vest top on for the gym for quite a while actually, so it's weird how I've put a vest top on. Thought I'd get the guns out today, and this has arrived. So anyway, I'm going to flip the camera around. We're going to unbox it together. We're going to see what the meal's like, what the packaging's like, give them a bit of a review, and then also I'll do a follow-up video when I've had like one or two of the meals, and then I can let you know whether they're good, they're bad, what I think of them. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let me just flip the camera around. And then you can see, because let me show you the box. This is how it comes. It comes in the black box. Fuel Hub, look, as you can see, still sellotaped up, not even opened it yet. It's pretty cool. They've got a little note on it for the delivery drivers, which says, leave in a safe place, must be delivered today. Because obviously there's food in it, and obviously it needs to go in the fridge or the freezer. So yeah, let me flip the camera around. Let's see what's in the box, guys. Now, first and foremost, obviously, the meals that have come, I've picked these meals. So they've not just been like randomly sent or anything like that. I've picked which meals, but as I say, I don't know what they look like. But anyway, cut the shit. Let's flip the camera around. Let's open the box because it's super exciting. Flip the camera around. Where's the best angle for you guys? Let's go here, I think. There we go. So, hopefully you can see me. Let's move the box over a little bit. Let's cut the box open. Make sure you're still in shot. Yeah, you can see me. I'll tell you what, let's just adjust the camera there. Right. Let's get into it, guys. So I'm super excited about this. Like I say, I've never had these before. Okay, first impressions is it looks a little bit weird. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is how it comes packed, and it's got like this fur stuff in it. Looks like grass, wool. It's super soft, which I've never seen packaging like that before. Okay. I mean, it feels pretty cool, so it does obviously keep them cool. Got some nice cold packs in, gel packs I think they are, chilling the load, are they ice? I think they must have been ice because it's pretty hard in there, so that's good that it's all kept cool. Put that to one side, but you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. This is how it's compact, this is how the meals look. At the moment, does it say on the box what they are? Premium meal prep, chef prepared, macro control meals, trusted by athletes, designed by nutritionists. So first impressions, the packaging does look pretty cool. Obviously they've got their own packaging and stuff. What's on the back? So it's a sticker they put on. Obviously it tells you what's in. So this one is salt and pepper, panko chicken with diced potatoes, onions and peppers. Tells you there, so chicken breast coated in a panko breadcrumbs. Tells you exactly what's in it, the ingredients, and obviously you've got your macros. Let me see if I can get you guys in there. So that's the macros on this one for any of you guys interested. So you've got your 52 grams of protein in this one, 605 calories, 12 grams of fat, and 69 carbs. So yeah, pretty cool packaging. The mission, less plastic, allergens. Yeah, first impressions, I think it's good. nice packaging. I like the green and the black theme, so that's really good. Let's just flick one of them open, then you can see what they look like. Come on. Move that to one side a second. But there, that's what the meals look like. First impressions look pretty good. Obviously, you've got like a pot of sauce in there. To be fair, feels cool, but not super cold. They're not super cold. I thought they'd have been a lot colder than this. Especially with like today outside. Especially with today outside. As you can see on the camera, it looks pretty bright. It's quite a warm day today. And we're now 11 o'clock in the morning. So we're not super late in the day. So I would have thought these would have been a lot colder than they are. So that concerns me a little bit. Even with the ice packs in, like I say, it does feel cool a little bit, but that particular meal doesn't feel super cold. But yeah, 1 second, let me get them all out. I'll run through the ones that I've got, and then obviously in a follow-up video, we'll go over how they taste and things like that. So 1 second, guys. Right, guys, back with you. I've undone the box properly now, took all the meals out. I'm sat down at the table, got them all in front of me here. I've got 10 meals. That's what is roughly right for me. I'm going for 2 meals per day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that's like lunch and dinner. And then on a Friday, Saturday, I'm going to be doing 1 meal per day, which will be lunch, because I usually see the girlfriend Friday to Sunday. So usually in an evening for dinner, we like to either cook or go out for some food. So at a weekend, I only need obviously lunch. So anyway, let me show you which meals I've got, tell you which meals I've got. You've already seen this one, which is the salt and pepper panko chicken. So let me pop that to one side and let's get some of the other meals out. So this one here, we've got the steak strips with a Mexican sauce, brown rice and Cajun veg. So I'll show you them all. That's what that one looks like. That's the steak strips. Now all of these, basically, when you go on the Fuel Hub website, you get a list of like all the food for kind of that week, and you'll be able to pick which ones you want. They're not all the same price, like i.e. the steak one's obviously dearer than the chicken. This one we've got, again, another steak strips with sweet potato, broccoli and balsamic onions. So, oh, this one looks really good. Check that out, guys. That looks really good. You've got obviously a lot of onions in there. Looking forward to that one. I'm a big steak fan, so what's this next one? We've got Hunter's barbecue chicken pasta with spinach, bacon and mozzarella. So what's this one? Oh, this one looks good as well. Check that out. So they're quite hefty meals. You do seem to get quite a bit in them. I'm not going to run through the macros on every single meal. You'll be able to go on the website and check out them for yourselves. Because again, depending on what you're doing, bulking, cutting, maintaining, obviously you're going to pick whichever meals are right for your macros, your calories. This one, Thai coconut chicken curry and basmati rice. Check that out. They're looking good, these. They're looking good. Can't wait to taste them. So first one's actually going to be today for lunch. So super looking forward to that. Oh, we've got a UK classic here. Picked a UK classic. Fish and chips with peas and tartar sauce. So that's looking pretty good actually. That's looking pretty good. Mushy peas. You've even got a slice of lemon in there. Obviously not everybody likes like a squeeze of lemon on the fish and chips, but they go in the extra mile. They've even got like a slice of lemon in there for you. What's the next one? We've got honey and chili beef with egg noodles and greens. That one's 639 calories. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Super excited to try these. Super excited. I'm excited to be able to tell you guys what they like as well. Chicken tikka with sweet potato, chickpeas and coconut yogurt. So this is like a curry. That looks pretty good as well. That looks tasty. I like how you get like some of them with like a pot of sauce as well. Because sometimes when, for example, meals when they've got like sauce on them and obviously you put them in the microwave or whatever, the sauce can really dry up and then it becomes pointless. There's like next to no sauce left and it's like, what was the point in even having sauce on it? So I like these where you've got the pot of sauce, you can put it to one side, obviously heat the meal up and then put the sauce on separate. And last two guys, Balti chicken with spiced potatoes, roast peppers and raita. So again, another curry style one. And that's that one. Again, pot of sauce in there with your chicken and everything else. So again, that one sounds good, looks good, and that's the important part, that they look good as well. And final one, naked chicken burger with chips and chipotle mayo. Naked chicken burger with chips and chipotle mayo. So, what's this one look like? Final one. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Check that out. Check that out, guys. So they do look pretty good. The only thing I'm surprised at, like I said so far, and obviously you've just seen me, I've took every single one out of its box, is they don't feel super cold. Now obviously it's great that they're fresh meals, they're not frozen, but I would have expected them to be a lot colder, especially like in this weather. So that at the moment, it's not a big concern, but it does make me think about it. And actually, check this out. I've just noticed something on the box, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to test this out and let you guys know. Wow, if this actually works, that is really good as well in terms of the brand and the way they've done it. For you guys who don't know, but there's an app called MyFitnessPal, and MyFitnessPal will allow you to track all your food on a daily basis. You can log it, you can type things in and it'll pop up, like even if it's from a supermarket. You can manually input stuff, you can scan barcodes, and obviously that's a way of tracking your calories and your macros. Well, I've just noticed, and again, this is because I know MyFitnessPal and I know the logo, I've just noticed on the packaging there is the MyFitnessPal logo. So I'm thinking on the MyFitnessPal app, you can scan that barcode and it will scan straight in for that particular meal with their macros. That is pretty cool. So massive thumbs up there if that works to Fuel Hub. I think that's really cool and makes things super simple for people who use MyFitnessPal or you want to use it to track the macros and stuff. That's really cool. So anyway, that's the unboxing, that's the unpackaging. First impressions, really good. Slight concern that they're not as cold as they should be. But overall, I think really good so far. I'm going to cut the video here and then post this video so you can see it as an unboxing. And then what I'll do is when I start to eat the meals, so obviously I'm going to have one today for lunch and one for dinner today. So maybe tomorrow I'll do the follow-up video and let you know how the food tasted. I'll let you know which food I had. I'll video the food when it's cooked and then you'll see it as like an overlay in the video. So you can see what it's like when it's cooked. And yeah, we'll do like a follow-up final review on Fuel Hub. And the most important question is, will I order it again week on week? Anyway guys, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit different from property, a little bit different from business. It's always good to switch stuff up. And most importantly, we brought some energy to this unboxing. So if you like the energy, subscribe to the video, like the video because it's super helpful, and I'll see you all in the next one.